Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Chorokyu videos. 164 tuned cars and other car toy brand. Anyway guys, I have another self-loading car carrier. It's die cast and uh, produced by Matchbox USA guys. So I have this in my Chorokyu for extra self-loading flatbed trucks guys. Although I have a Chorokyu original flatbed trucks, and this one guys is very in use in my Chorokyu, uh, and these two guys are made by Matchbox, and it's a realistic like the real thing guys. Even the function, unlike the Hot Wheels, it has a unique design that has out of this world design guys. Anyway guys, let's check this out. From my previous video guys, my Chorokyu Cosmo is in this flatbed car carrier guys. But this one guys, I never featured this, so this is the first time. So as you can see guys, it's like a real it's like the real thing you commonly see in the road, and its design is it's looks like a all original flatbed car carrier. Anyway guys, it slides. Oops, sorry. Okay. Anyway guys, it slide like this, then just like the real thing guys. And it's also good for Chorokyu, perfect, because as you can see guys, the tires guys are matched, as you can see in this. See, so for me guys, it's perfect for Chorokyu standard size. Even though it's not a Chorokyu, it's a Matchbox. Anyway guys, I put some details like reflectorized red and on the top, and then signal light, stoplight, backlight at the rear guys. Then in the front, I painted the grill. Then I put a Tomica on the top, just like the carrier car of Chorokyu. And the color is white and blue, same as the original Chorokyu carrier car. Anyway guys, as you can see, it's a good fit, perfect for Chorokyu standard size. Okay. Anyway guys, this is another Matchbox guys, but this one is almost identical from the one you see in the roads and in the traffic guys. So this one guys, you can pull this like this one guys, and then this one guys is tilting. See, also this one guys is a Matchbox. So the Chorokyu guys will go up, and then in the real thing guys, like that, and then it will go down. Also guys, it's perfect as you can see. You see this guys, it's for the tires. See? So this one guys is a what they call this, it's a light truck, from Matchbox. I think it's a Elf or Canter, Isuzu Elf or GM in the US, and or a Mitsubishi Canter. So as you can see guys, it's also the from all my die-cast car carrier flatbed guys, this red one is the perfect one for my Cherokee, because it looks realistic guys, even the functions and everything guys. So that's it guys. This is a Matchbox brand flatbed car carrier or self-loading car carrier. It's very good on my Cherokee. You should try it in your Cherokee guys. That's it. Hope you like my videos. Thank you very much. Bye.